excited to start off the new year with some healthy meals. On today's episode, we're going to make a delicious cucumber avocado salad with chili lime shrimp served over rice. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. For our cucumber avocado, go ahead and grab your green onions and cut them into a bowl. After chopping in your green onions, go ahead and chop your cilantro. Now thinly slice your cucumber. Cut your avocado in half. And remove the pit. Slice some lines into this avocado. After slicing the avocado, go in with a spoon. Take a bowl and squeeze your lime juice in here. Add your olive oil. Season with salt and black pepper. Go ahead and give that a mix. Pour it over your salad. Go ahead and give that a mix. Now give it a taste to see if it have enough salt and pepper. This is perfect, so I'm going to put a lid on it and put it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. Now for my shrimp, they are clean and deveined and patted dry. Now drizzle some olive oil. Season with some garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, chili powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, black pepper, and salt. Give that a mix and make sure this is well seasoned. Now, over medium heat in a large skillet, drizzle some olive oil. Once hot, go ahead and add your shrimp, and we're going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And once they're done, go ahead and remove them. And we're going to continue cooking the rest of our shrimp. To put it together, I like to take my salad, put it over my rice, take my shrimp, and this is how I would serve it. Leave me a comment below, let me know if you'd like to see more healthy recipes, and I'll be happy to cook them with you. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.